Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add text to speech to our video in Filmora. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my Filmora and I'm going to add text to my video. I'm going to go to the titles and I'm going to add text. For example, I'm just going to add hello guys, like this. And if you want to use the text to speech, we can go to this menu and you can choose the voice you want to apply to your text to speech. And for example, I'm just going to select
Wondershare, creativity simplified.
okay, I'm just going to select the mark voice, and after that we just need to click on generate. Okay, wait for a moment guys. Okay, and now the text to speech has been created, and then I'm going to close it. Okay, this is the text to speech. I'm going to add it to my video.
Hello guys.
Okay guys, and that's all the way to add text to speech or use text to speech in Filmora. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.